We've just acquired this Mercedes CLS250 AMG, absolutely lovely car. It's got front park distance control, unmarked dome cut alloy wheels all round, factory fitted tilt slide sunroof, rear park distance control, absolutely beautiful, twin exhausts at the back. Boot area is in lovely condition with the AMG factory fitted carpet mats, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, tilt slide sunroof, which is a lovely extra. Car's done 102,082 miles. Got heated seats, climate control, USB, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox, automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, Bluetooth. It's in lovely condition. At DJH, full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.